Good morning, how are you? Well, actually today we would like to welcome you in Academy of Health Sciences. As you can see, this is the headquarters of the Academy, the main building of the Academy. And as we have told you before, Academy of Health Sciences, it has 3 schools: Paramedics School, Nursing School, and Astrophysics School. Actually, it's very important for us to talk about what we have and about our offices, our administrative teams, and our faculty members. Here is the main entrance of the Academy, and that one where students are living actually. If we go inside, as you can see, here is the main building of the Academy. Today it's a winter day, actually. It's a heavy shower day, as you can see. Here, auditorium number 1, and students are having lectures, as you can see. Lectures are still inside, and students are having their own lectures. Here is faculty member team, office number 1, faculty office number 1. They are preparing lectures, maybe they are talking about what they are going to have for the next time or next lecture, and they are busy in their job, in their duty. Here we have conference hall. You know, many times we have meetings, we have conferences. For that reason, it's prepared for meetings. And as you can see, English is used in addition to Arabic, 50% for each one of them, because of, as you know, English is international language and it's language of science and medical affairs. Here is student affairs. We have how, you know, prepare students' affairs, their examination, their tools, their processes actually. As you can see, here is the head of the department, and he's preparing his job and his duties. Here it's examination. Examination department. Maybe they prepare what students are supposed to have and what they need, actually, the results, their marks, transcriptions, and everything about them. Here, you know, it's announcements, marks, exam results, timetables, and something similar. It's easy. Here another lecture. They're having lectures actually. They have something to discuss and something to have. And here, you know, complaint form. Whenever you have a problem and whenever you have something, whenever you want to raise a complaint against anyone, then you write what you have and you write what you know. And here is procedures that you are supposed to follow. Logistic department. Logistic department. Here is deputy. Actually, they have meeting. Actually, they have a meeting, and it seems that they have something very important. And here is Paramedics Laboratory. Actually, we have 2 laboratories, not 1. We have 2 laboratories, and they are good. Here is laboratory number 1. It has simulation machines. It has many equipments. You know, we have devices, technical ones, simulation machine, first aid unit, ECG unit, this one is for paramedic students whenever they want to do anything and whenever they want to have practical sessions, then they come here to have and to discuss what they want and what they have. Here is laboratory number 1. And here is laboratory number 2. It's the second one. It's second laboratory. And you know, actually Academy of Health Sciences, it was established in 2011 due to Syrian war. And you know, there was many injuries and many people were in very dangerous situations. For that reason, it was our ethical principle and ethical beliefs to establish such an academy. And now in 2018, the academy is located in Atma, countryside of Idlib. It's about 5 kilometers from Turkey, and here is the headquarters of the academy. as you can see, practical and modern equipments for students to have better understanding of what they are having. Thank you. And now, you know, we were talking about administrative and faculty members at this department, and now let's go to department number 2, or let me say, we are going to talk about physical therapy and about nursing. And, you know, I would like to talk about something, you know, very sad. When we talk about Academy of Health Sciences, then we talk about this blue sea. And if you ask me about what is this sea, I'll say that it's about camps, refugee camps. Due to circumstances of war, hundreds of thousands of refugees, they were forced to leave their houses and to come here to Idlib. And as you can see, the academy is located among them. I mean, if you can see, you can notice that we have hundreds of thousands of camps. It's a tragedy, actually. It's something very bad and very sorrow to have it. Here is the second department. That is a waterfall, actually. Sometimes, you know, in summer days, it's lovely to have something like that for students, to have something like amusement. Study at the Academy of Health Sciences is for free. Students are not supposed to pay anything. They are not supposed to pay any dollar. It's our ethical principle to give them free education because of, as you know, the economical system and economical situation is very bad and they can pay nothing for study. For that reason, it's totally 100% it's free. Paramedics department is for students, male students. Physical therapy and nursing, they are for female. And here, it is, you know, physical therapy. They have meeting actually. We don't like to distribute them. Here is the second part, register office, announcements, and actually they have lectures and they have their own meetings. Here is Academy of Health Sciences, 3 schools, 3 departments, physical therapy, nursing, and paramedics. We wish you a great time. Thank you so much. Thank you.